welcome on the show very renowned Vidushi Sukanya Ramgopal ji. Namaste, Sukanya ji. How are you?
Yeah, namaste. I'm fine. Namaskara. Welcome to my home, Sweta ji, and all the other music lovers who are watching this session live. I'm very happy to be with you all. I'm having a small slokam on Lord Shiva here. So I'm just giving this Konakod and the slokam. மண்ணாதி பூதமோடு விண்ணாதி அண்டம் நீ மறை நான்கின் அடி முடியும் நீ மதியும் நீ ரவியும் நீ புனலும் நீ அனலும் நீ மண்டலம் இரண்டேடும் நீ பெண்ணும் நீ ஆணும் நீ பல்லுயிர் குயிரும் நீ பிறவும் நீ பொருவ நீயே வேதாதி வேதம் நீ பாதாதி கேசம் நீ பெற்ற தாய் தந்தை நீயே பொன்னும் நீ பொருளும் நீ இருளும் நீ ஒளியும் நீ போதிக்க வந்த குரு நீ புகழனாகிரகங்கள் 9 நீ இந்த புவனங்கள் பெற்றவனும் நீ எண்ணற்ற ஜீவ கோடிகளை ஈன்ற அப்பனே என் குறைகள் யாது குறைப்பேன் ஈசனே சிவகாமி நேசனே எனகின்ற தில்லை வாழ் நடராஜனே ஈசனே சிவகாமி
Ghatam Maestro, the lady Ghatam artist Sukanya Ramgopal ji with us. Yes. So you able to hear me now clearly?
Yeah, I am able to hear you clearly. Yeah, yes.
So, kind of we are restarting with the show, and as the viewers know, they saw your video and they heard you play Konakol too. Okay, so since your journey started into music with initially with vocal, then violin, and then mridangam, and then a final switch happened to the ghatam. How did so many shifts happen?
Actually, my family is a very orthodox family. My great-grandfather was a great Tamil scholar, Dr. Uve Swaminath Iyer. He is, without his work, a lot of Tamil books wouldn't have come out. So we would have lost so many Tamil literature. So, usually we used to learn vocal music. Master used to come to our house. I learned vocal music with my sister Bhanumati. And then I was interested, always my thought was towards percussion only. I used to play on table and other, whatever I'm having in my hand. So I used to play on that, and I asked my sister to sing, and I used to accompany on table and whatever available with me. So I'm very passionate about percussion from my childhood.
But
then I was interested. Then vocal master couldn't come to our house. So then I told my parents I would like to learn violin. So I learned violin. I know so many kirtanas and varnams to play on violin, but now I didn't have any more touch on the violin. Even violin master couldn't come to my house after some time. So Vikku Vinayakaram sir's brother T.H. Gurumurthy is a violinist. So I went there and started learning violin also. But my all my all my thoughts divert into the mridangam class, which is happened in the opposite door. So I just went to my mother. I'm very much interested in learning mridangam.
Mhm.
She said, let us see. She was postponing it. But one day I couldn't control my thoughts. Just I went to T.R. Harihara Sharma sir was taking class for his students. I just went to him, uh, sir, I wanted to learn Mridangam. Oh, you are learning violin, no? Oh, you want to learn Mridangam also? Okay. Come, today it's a very fine day. You sit and start the lesson. So no dakshina, no that nothing. I didn't take any coconut or bitter leaves or banana, the dakshina, guru dakshina, nothing.
Your parents
So,
told you
huh?
not to, but your parents told you because it is a male-dominated craft. They told you not to take it up.
Yeah, yeah. It's it's very tough. Even though they liked it, the society maybe tell something. So like that, I started practicing Mridangam. Within 3 years, I started playing for small concerts. The opportunity from Tamil Nadu Yelisai Nadakamandram, they provided me concerts throughout Tamil Nadu. So like that, I was selected in that concept. Then I used to go with Viku sir to his concerts. As a disciple, I used to go with him. I was mesmerized by his playing. Not only that day, even today, if he plays, it is mesmerizing me.
Like you mesmerize us who are the bearer of.
So I just told him, I heard you yesterday. It was really mesmerizing one. The Sawal Jawab you played with the Mridangam artist is really amazing. I wanted to learn Kathak. But he said, oh, it's very difficult, ma. It's a clay pot. This is just made up of mud. We ourselves are struggling to make the sound. You are a girl. Your hands will be fingers will be spoiled. It's nice. You are playing mridangam very well, and you have started playing for concerts also. I will teach you all things to play on mridangam. But I was not at all convinced. Again, next day also I went to him and you please give me the gatam. If I'm not able to get the sound, I just leave it. But he is not at all convinced. He went to his father and told, no, Sukanya is very adamant to learn gatam. I don't know what to do. He said, Harihara Sharma said, told him, gatam doesn't know who is playing on that, whether a girl or boy.
Brilliant, brilliant. What a thought.
Yeah, I'm getting goosebumps. No, whenever I say this, I used to. He is my guru actually. He is Mr. Sri Harihara Sharma.
He,
T.R. Harihara
he
Sharma.
knew you had something in you, and he was very right to say this.
So, uh,
But and you have
so
also
he,
defied all the thoughts that a woman has a slender body and delicate fingers, and she cannot do it. You have defied all the thoughts.
so that time, Viku sir went to Berkeley University to teach some students. It's a 1 year contract, so he went for that. Harihara Sharma sir told Viku sir, "You go and come back. I will prepare her on the Gatam. You come and see her." Like that, he told his son, and he used to give me every day. I used to go to his house and learn uh, all the fingering techniques to play on the Gatam. There is one fingering technique, tarigida, 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 tarigida. So we have to get the speed. This is the very key phrase for Gadam, I should say. So he asked me to play this Tarigid hours together. Then so he used to uh, sit on an easy chair and he used to close his eyes and uh, my shoulder will start paining and fingers will start paining. So I thought he is sleeping. Maybe I can stop over for a few minutes. When I just stopped, no, you used to get up and no, I don't, no, I didn't tell you to
Stop.
stop it. You
Wow.
have to practice for hours together. This phrase. So that type of
Training.
practice and training was given by him. It's a great thing. After coming back from Berkeley University, Viku sir was astonished and he took me as his disciple and
So
started.
when you took up to the stage and majorly as an accompanist, were the musicians reluctant and wary of taking you as an accompanist? We'll come to this point, but before that, I would include the comments that I've been getting from the viewers who are
Okay.
with us right now. We have Shankar Narayanan ji writing Namaste.
Oh, Namaste, Shankarji. Namaste.
And we have Gaurav Vaswata. Hello, good evening. Namaste, Shweta ji. Namaste.
Namaste.
And welcome, Sri Sukanya Madam ji. Namaste, he writes too.
Oh, Namaste. Namaste. Yes.
And
Thank you.
Ram Gopal Venkatesh Prabhu writes, Ram Gopal Venkatesh Prabhu is watching.
Okay. Okay.
He has told you that he's watching the show. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, he is my husband. Without his support, I cannot be here with you now.
Thank you so much. You're watching Ram Gopalji, watching the show. And Sumana Chandrasekhar, wonderful.
She is my student, my first girl student after 30 years of my experience.
Oh my God, it took you so
Yeah,
long to get
so
to
long to get one girl student.
brilliant. Brilliant. Very nice.
Yeah,
Malini Shastri ji is with us. Namaste, Sukanya ji and Shweta ji, she writes.
namaste, namaste,
We
namaste.
have
Welcome.
Ravi Shankar ji. Namaste, madam. He's
Yeah,
telling you.
he is my student. Namaste, Ravi Shankar.
Yes,
Welcome.
I can see in the picture he's playing a pot, khatam.
Yeah, he is my student. Yeah.
And Bhagyalakshmi M. Krishna, excellent madam.
Yeah. She is a very great marching player.
Yes,
She is with me in the group. From her childhood, she is with me.
brilliant, brilliant.
So she is a very good, talented marching artist, I should say.
And we
His
have,
father is his father is also a very great marching artist. Only because of Dr. L. Bhimachar, marching came into Karnataka, I should
Priya
say.
Madhurani Singh, you are great, ma'am. She's writing. She,
Oh,
she is writing, you are great.
thank
And
you, thank you, thank you.
Sunita Buddhiraja ji writes, great honor to meet you, Sukanya ji.
Me too. I'm very happy to meet you also.
Padma
Namaste.
Narayan Murthy writes, I feel always proud of you.
Yeah, welcome, Batma. Thank you. She is my sister-in-law. She is a very great teacher, actually.
Welcome to the show. Shanti Vardharajan. Hi, Sukanya. We are watching you from Bangalore.
Wow. Welcome, Shanti. Namaste. She is my colleague, my husband's colleague's wife.
Okay. Sudha Sudha.
Namaste.
Namaste, Sukanya, ma'am. Sudha.
Oh, oh, namaste.
So I'll be including more comments. Let me tell the viewers, please like the page, National Khabar Facebook page, because we bring to you such interactions daily. And you'll be able to connect with the brilliant artists across the globe. So Sukanya ji is with us. And you just, your husband was writing the message, then the question clicked. That as the girl seeing ritual, you were asked that if you could sing. And what was your reply? And what does Ram Gopalji feel now?
Actually, when he came to see me, I played the gadam only. I said, I don't know how to sing.
So he loved
So, uh, I- actually, first, my mother-in-law thought I used to go every day for concerts and I may not be able to look after the family. So she was little hesitant to tell yes to the marriage.
it. Okay.
So after seeing me playing in one of the concerts, Ram Gopal was very much,
In love with you.
yeah. He told me, yeah, you can take over your proceed your career. It's a very you have put on so much of work, hard work on this. Till today, he is with me, supporting me. Actually, usually for every successful man, there is a woman behind. In my thing, it is different. With his support only, I am doing all those things.
Ram Gopalji, so nice to know you. And
Yeah.
yes, we were at a question how the artists, musicians felt.
Uh,
But before that, as the viewers are wanting to watch you play, so many pots you have in front of you.
yeah,
So
yeah,
why not
yeah.
just go ahead with this first, and then we can go on with the question answer.
Yeah, okay. This is just a folk tune I wanted to play first.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, yes.
And how are these pots different? And how are these pots different?
Uh,
I would want you also to talk to the viewers about.
yeah. This is actually tuned into G sharp, G sharp to G sharp. So, so this is tuned to Shuddha Danyasi Ragam. The notes are sa sa ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma ga sa. Yeah. Thank you.
So
Thank you.
nice to see you, Jessica. Honor to have you here on the show. It's so nice. Uh, we have Hari Vikal Atre with us. He
Oh,
writes, Namaste, ma'am. It's always inspiring to know what you have achieved and makes to work more harder. Kudos.
thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And
Thank
we
you.
have Rupa Singh Sudhi. Hello, Madam Sunidhi is watching.
Oh, thank you, Rupaji. Namaste.
Priyanka is with us. He writes Namaskar. Manish Mehta writes Namaskar. And we have Mahima Upadhyay, the Powers girl on the first day of the series. Pranam Auntie, she writes.
Oh, pranam, pranam. Yeah, pranam.
We have Uma Venkateshwaran. Very nice, memorable moments, recollecting old memorable thoughts. I am an ardent admirer of Madam Sukanya Ram Gopal, great legend. I never missed her Thani.
Namaste, Umaji. Very happy to welcome you here. Yeah, you are always coming and getting my autograph. Thank you so much. Welcome. Namaste.
Hi, Murthy. Thank you, Mani.
Oh, welcome. Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Your husband writes, when I went to see the girl for marriage, I was welcomed by. What does
Yeah.
it mean? Welcomed by Ghatam means what?
Gatam. Yeah, I played Gatam on that day. Yeah.
Imaginary Day writes, blessed to have witnessed you very briefly at National Public School Indira Nagar. I am glad to see you sitting in Kolkata now. My pranams and gratitude.
Oh, oh. Namaste, namaste. Thank you so much. Welcome, welcome.
And we have Shahrukh Usman Delvi with us. Okay.
Uh-huh.
ही राइट सभी व्यूअर से गुजारिश है कि नेशनल खबर के फेसबुक पेज और यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करें सब्सक्राइब करें थैंक यू शाहरुख थैंक यू
Thank you, thank you.
and we have Meghala Jayashankar. I like National Cover page because I came across the video of you playing the Ghatam and it totally fascinated me. What you like, women power. You're amazing, Sukanya ji. So inspiring.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you, thank you.
So I'll be including more comments. I want to tell the viewers to keep writing. I consider it your love and wishes. Um, it means a lot to the artist too. So
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
So, Kanaji, we were at the question, were the musicians wary of taking up an accompanist, a female accompanist on the Ghatam?
Yeah, yeah, it's very rare because I'm the first girl who came to the concert platform. Uh, Audience was very much appreciating. So some musicians may not be very much happy to have me on the Ghatam accompaniment. But so many musicians encouraged me also. I
Okay.
should say that. Yeah. For example, Tanjavur Upendran sir, TV Gopalakrishnan sir. So many musicians. I used to play Ghatam for uh, Sri TV Gopalakrishnan sir, so vocal, and also I have played along with his mridangam also. So I have played many artists actually. Yes, Ramanathan sir, Sengalpat Ranganathan sir. I have played even uh, Balamurali Krishna sir.
So, did you
So
ever feel disappointed by the way you were not the others were not very supportive? And did you feel disappointed ever?
of course, yeah. Sometimes it was so depressing. Even though I'm on the stage, even though they are okay, you can play with me like that. Even though it is like that, uh, proper opportunities were very less actually. So while playing, while the Swara Prastaram or whatever Neraval played by violin, usually Gadam used to accompany. So it was not given that opportunity so many times, even though they gave a little. Yeah.
We just had a comment. Sumana, your first girl student who came in your life after 30 years of your performances. So, how did she enter your life and why it took 30 years, Sukanyaji?
I don't know because I should say the girl should have the mental strength, not a physical strength to play this garam. Nowadays, we are having so many facilities like pickup mic and other microphones. We have the technology has improved a lot. But those days, maybe so conservative. They don't want to send their girl child to any percussion and other things. They wanted their girl to learn vocal or violin or better veena.
Mhm.
Not even flute is also very. It's
Mm.
not in the show.
Okay.
So it's very difficult. Maybe parents are not allowing, or the girls are not coming forward. I don't
Mhm.
know. Girls, if they have their fire inside, they will come out.
Like you did have it.
Yeah, it's still that fire is burning in my soul.
So, can we see some fire right now on the Ghatams?
Yeah.
Can we watch something on Ghatam right now?
This is actually Bhopal in Hindustani, Moganam in Carnatic style.
Okay,
So just English note in Gata.
all right. Okay.
Yeah.
That's so nice. बहुत ही- So
Thank you, Swetaji. Thank you.
you're also good at tossing the Ghatam.
Yeah, yes, I can.
Is it possible for the viewers to see it now?
Yeah, yes, I can do that. Yeah, just a minute.
And many of your students who have become popular artists, they also use the technique of tossing.
Yeah, yes.
how many ghatams did you break in order to get this perfection, Sukanya ji?
No, while playing, it won't break, definitely. While
Okay.
playing, it won't break because these are all from Mana Madurai. It's very perfect.
Okay.
So when you uh, hit on something or put down, if you put the gadam bag on
Yes.
the floor, it'll break, of course.
No, I wanted to know if while practicing for tossing, if ever you have missed it.
No, 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 not at all. Definitely, no.
Okay, let me include some more comments. We have Aparna. Okay, I'll come to that. Okay, we have Meghala Jaishankar. Okay, she has already been included. We have Bhuvaneshwari.
Oh,
Bhuvaneshwari
oh,
Chandrasekhar. Hi Sukanya, this is
okay.
Aparna from Coimbatore. It is always nice and happy to watch you play the ghatam.
Nice, Bona. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Very nice to see you here.
Uma Venkateshwaran writes, since 26 years I'm attending your concerts. I never missed. So much admiration, especially her Thani Namaskarams.
Thank you, Umaji. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Somin Sarkar writes, Pranam to Sukanya Mamji, I'm a big fan of yours. On
Thank you. Pranams to you. Pranam to you. Bye.
Rajan Chinnaraj, good to hear from Ram Gopalji when he visited Madam Home by Ghatam. Welcome. Okay, Aparna,
Thank you.
great mommy, proud to be part of the family. Aparna,
Yeah, she is my. Yeah, Aparna is my niece.
okay. आपकी इस सुंदर कला
Nice to see you, Aparna.
शाहरुख राइट आपकी इस सुंदर कला को सलाम सल्यूट टू यू
Pranams to you. Pranams.
Pooja Singh, wow, keep it up. She writes. Pooja Singh is with us.
Yeah, with God's grace and the Guruji's blessings,
Uh,
I have to.
Gujam, no other playing Ghatam army like you, Mami. No others playing Ghatam army like you, Mami, she writes. Okay,
Thank you very
Meghalaya
much. Yeah.
Jaishankar writes, Namaste Sukanya ji and Shweta ji from Singapore. Thank you for watching the show. Manish Mehta is with us. He writes, Wah, 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 bahut khoob. It is pleasure watching Sukanya ma'am. This is very minute of National Khabar has made my evening. Thank you, Manish. Thank you. Mind
Thank you.
blowing, great,
Thank you.
right, Sunita Buddhi Raja ji. And Rajesh Gopala Krishnan ji writes, Hello, madam. And we have Mala
Oh, thank you.
Krishnan. Hi, Suki Atai. So proud of you. You are my role model. Thank you always.
Yeah, she is my niece, my brother's daughter. Happy to see you here.
Sanat Kumar Atreya, Namaste Sukanya ma'am. How did you come up with this idea of Ghatam Tarangam? Yes, this could be the next question. Ghatam Tarangam idea, how did it originate? Because it is a distinctive style, and how did the idea come? Let us talk on this. Are you able to hear me? Can you hear me,
Yeah,
Sukanya?
you're asking how this Gadatarang idea came,
Yeah.
isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. When I was very young and learning Gadam under Viku sir, we used to do Gadamala. Gadamala means each one of us will have one Gadam, which is tuned to some note. Like I'm having all six around me, but one Gadam will be given to each artist, each student. So we do Laya Vinyasam and do all the Kandam, Mitisram, Misram, Sangirnam, everything, and we do the Korapu. Korapu means reducing the cycles and come together and play finale of and Muktayam or Korvai final. It will be very finale, very great finale to end the Gadamala. So at that time itself, I thought how it will be to have all the gadams and play by one person. How would it be? It should be, it should have some melody in it. So that thought was there at that age itself. So,
Oh,
yeah, then I was practicing and going for concerts and other things. One fine day, I was stopped by the organizer at the Sabha entrance. I'm really apology. I'm giving apology to Sukanya ji. The Mridangam artist doesn't want to play with you. Please, I'm really very sorry about it. So
yes.
I came back without playing on that day.
That was
It
what
was,
was it? It was what was your age that time?
yeah, after my marriage only.
Okay.
So I'm around 26 or 27, maybe. Yeah. So
Okay.
it was very painful for me that day. I don't know. I cried like anything. Even the friends, the neighbors, all and asked me why you cried yesterday a lot. What happened? So I'm not able to console myself, and my husband also he kept quiet because he knows the pain. So he also kept quiet, and it took me a week to get over from that pain. So then I thought my talent should reach the public. I cannot just simply sit at home because some musicians are not allowing me to play. Just because of that, I should not sit at home and do the as an uh, housewife. So
Yes.
I thought something I have to do because the if you see in the concert platform, vocalist is the first priority, violinist is the second priority, mridangam is the third status, ganjira is the fourth status, and gadam is the fifth status. So I want to do something for my gadam to bring it to the center stage. So I thought we should do something. So I thought of aligning that young age dream again pricked my mind. So I should do that job now. So I try to research and I set some gadams around me, and I first time I played in the seminar Percussive Arts Center seminar. In even before that, All India Radio, Mrs. Geeta Ramanand was the music producer in All India Radio. Uh, she tuned some small music. She asked many women because it's a women program. So she called all women artists to play some music on Gadam. So I thought I took the same Mogana Ragam and played a small Pallavi, Ragam Tanam Pallavi. So I played a Pallavi as a inno, invo, invocation for the valedictory function of Gadam Ganjira seminar done by Percussive Arts Center. But this Percussive Arts Center is the only one organization which gives importance to the percussion instruments. And so it was my first. So it happened 27 years before. So
So what was
27
the
years, yeah, 27 years before.
response of the people when you did it first time?
Yeah, some people said it is only meant for lecture demonstration, not for concert. So
Oh,
that also pricked my mind. So I thought of calling all female musicians because the same thing they will also face the same situation. So I gathered all the female mridangist, ganjira artist, and morching artist, Konnakol. Konnakol is vocal percussion. What I did in the beginning.
yes.
So like that, I started 27 years back. In these 27 years, I have so many veena artists, so many flute artists. No, the list is big, but now we are five people together always, and it's a very great ensemble.
So you have
We have tried.
you have definitely taken the Ghatam to the center stage. But when you are accompanying Indian classical music artist, not the Carnatic music artist, what are the calculations that you have to do?
Yeah, we will rehearse together, and I used to learn from them, and they would like to learn from our style. So we collaborate with each other, and we make some good understanding between us. And the I performed with flamenco dancer Bettina in Germany. It was really very nice collaboration. So you can watch it in YouTube also.
Yes, yes, definitely. I will be
Yeah.
including the comments of the viewers who are there with us and have been watching, encouraging us through their comments. Um, we have Rajesh Gopal Krishnan writing, great to see you here, Madam Rajesh Gopal Krishna.
Oh, nice to see you, Rajesh ji. Namaste. Namaste.
Okay, we have Jyoti Chetan with us. Very happy to
Oh,
see you, Sukanya Madam.
Namaste, Jyoti ji. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you. Thank you.
Lakshmi Kannan is with us. Sukanya Madam is a very grounded, genius artist I have ever come across.
Welcome, Lakshmi. Very nice to see you here.
We
Yeah.
have Kalinath Mishra. Wow, man,
Oh,
you are the great artist.
Namaste, Kalinath Bhaiya. Thank you.
He is
Namaste.
also a tabla player. He
Okay, okay. Nice, nice.
excellent too.
Thank you.
Meghalaya Jaishankar in Western music, Mohanam is called pentatonic scale.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
And
Yeah.
Rudraksh is with us, writes, wow, amazing, while you were playing.
Wow, wow, your son. Nice to have his comment too. Very nice, very nice.
He watches the show daily. Each day he watches and learns a lot. He knows the artists by their names and the.
Oh, nice. Very interesting for him in this lockdown period.
Aparna Radhakrishnan writes amazing, and
Oh, thank you.
Jyoti Chetan writes excellent. Malini Shastri ji is with us, writes marvelous. Thank you, Malini ji. Mala Mohan is with us, truly awesome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much to all of you. Thank you.
Geeta Nazir, whoa,
Oh,
very nice.
thank you. Thank you.
Uma Venkateswaran writes, thank you for playing
Again,
one of my favorite ragas, very beautiful English note, very melodious. Thank you so much once again.
thank you, Umaji. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Nala Krishnan writes, even I loved learning Mridangam, but I think that
Ah,
fire was missing and a big no from my parents. My daughter
oh,
was very much interested and I started learning from Biku sir, but had
uh-huh.
some hearing issues so could not continue. Malaji writes.
Oh, okay, okay. You can even continue now also. Age is not a bar at all. You can continue. Nowadays, there is so much of technology is there, so you can learn from anybody through Skype.
No, and even parents are very aware and alert these days. Parents are, they don't stop their children from learning things.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, correct.
Rajesh Gopalakrishnan ji writes, very nice.
Thank you, Rajesh ji.
Chitra Narayan Prabhu sends you claps. And
Thank you. She
Padma,
is my she is my daughter-in-law.
okay, brilliant. Nice to have you.
Chaitra, Chaitra.
Hema
Thank you.
writes, hello, madam, wo super performance. And
Thank you. Thank you.
Aparna Radhakrishnan writes, out of the world. Um,
Thank you, Aparna. Thank you.
Rajesh G writes, really miss the concerts. Okay, I think he's talking about the lockdown thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, these days people are really missing such things. That is why we organize this program so that you stay tuned and you meet your favorite artists here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The two from like Sweta ji. No, she is a very great host, really. I love her hosting and I love her speaking and everything.
Thank you. What to say?
You are doing a very nice job for all the artists.
I, Maya Vardhan, Ramesh ji writes, Sukanya ji is our Maya Varam pride.
Thank you, thank you.
Ira Apte, Madam is always an inspiration.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So there's so many people. Still, I would be taking their comments. So why don't we talk about Sri Tal Tarang that I think you were mentioning?
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes. So have you been able to bring in the changes in the thoughts and minds of the people who were reluctant to include the women musicians? Through that Sri Tal Tarang, you have been able to make some changes, Sukanya ji?
Uh, Still, that people are not arranging our concerts in all the sabas during the festival times. They are facing only giving opportunities to the vocalist and other instrumentalists. They are thinking that this is Talavadya Kacheri. This is not Talavadya Kacheri. Gadam is singing for you. And you usually Veena concerts, Gadam is an accompaniment. Now in this Gadatarang, Veena is an accompaniment to the Gadatarang. And when they play other kritis of Saint Tyagaraja or Muthuswami Dikshadhar, other kirtanas, I used to accompany them. So this is just helping each other and accompanying each other. It's really fun and really when we have the rehearsals in my house, it is sometimes it's very great fun, and we used to do uh, compose everything, and I used to tell something, and they used to give some suggestions, and we all have fun at the lunchtime. We used to have fun.
So
Yeah.
have you been able to teach some of the skills of Ghatam to your husband as well? Does he put his hands on it?
No, I'm teaching my son Gadam, and I'm teaching Mridangam to my daughter.
Okay,
And also my daughter-in-law is learning Gatam.
very nice.
My my son and daughter-in-law Narayan Prabhu and Chaitra is in US, so they are having Skype classes now. And my daughter and her family is in Hyderabad.
So you more,
My my grandson plays piano.
oh, very nice.
Yeah.
So you like to be more as a guru or a mother-in-law to your daughter-in-law?
Both as well. Not mother-in-law. I'm a mother actually. She is my daughter, another daughter, I should say.
So can we go ahead with the before I include the comments, one final performance, any of the ragas that you would like to take up on the Ghatam?
Yeah. I would like to take Madhyamavati. Yeah,
Okay, brilliant.
I would like to. Yeah. I just give me some few seconds to change the katams
All right.
again. Yeah.
So I want to tell the viewers, I'm not removing Sukanya Madam Ji from the frame because I want you to see her. How much effort it takes, not only learning, being
Oh,
trained in a rigorous way, um, doing a lot of practice, but also for each raga, how she has to change the setting, she has to change the chord. Ghatam is an ancient percussion instrument. It was primarily used in Carnatic music, but it is making its way to Hindustani classical music as well. So it is basically a clay pot which is reinforced with brass, copper, and iron fillings. And it is made only by one family in the entire country in Tamil Nadu. Am I right, Sukanya ji?
yes, you are right. Perfectly right. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Usually, we in Carnatic music we end up with Madhyamavati. Actually, I am playing a composition in Madhyamavati set to Adital. It's just 8 beats: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
my God, this is truly blessing to see you perform. Oh Lord, it's very beautiful, blissful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sweta ji. It's very nice to
I'm a
be
very
here.
person to say this, to appreciate your talent, but in fact, it is mind blowing. And
Thank
the
you.
people who have been writing, they're writing Adbhut. Adbhut, you would understand
Yeah,
out of the
Arpudam.
mind. Yes, very special guest with us, Ghatam Giridhar Udupa.
Ah, my student. Hello, Giridhar. How are you?
He's
Namaste.
super, ma'am. And he's also a renowned Ghatam artist. Thank you,
Of course, yeah.
Giridhar, for joining us and
Yeah, yeah.
watching your Guru show. And we have a senior educationist and the principal of a renowned school here in Gurgaon, Lotus Valley International School, Mrs. Anita
Oh,
Malhotra, with us. She writes to
Namaste,
Heavenly.
Anita ji. Namaste, Anita ji. Thank you so much. Yeah.
And there are many more viewers. Sunita ji writes Adbhut, Adbhut, magical. And
Thank you.
Ashutosh Shekhar is with us. Ma'am, you're too good. Dinesh
Thank you.
Vaidya is with us. Amazing. This is
Thank you.
prodigy stuff. And we have Harini Subramaniam with us. Namaste,
Oh,
Sukanya, madam.
Namaste, Arini ji. Namaste. Nice to see you here.
And Sunita ji writes, I'm absolutely speechless watching you.
Thank you.
Umaji writes, thanks for Madhyamavati, beautiful, always lingering, excellent rendition, very, very melodious. Blessed to hear
Thank you.
such wonderful music.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Jayavant Naidu is with us. Raga on Ghatam
Oh,
is a big effort, but really sounding very melodious.
thank you so much. Thank
Dinesh
you.
Vaidyaji writes, speechless. And
Thank you.
Giridhar sends you namaste.
Namaste. Namaste, Giridhar.
Meghalaya Jashankar from Singapore writes, you're not just playing the ghatam, you are singing and harmonizing with it. It's mind blowing.
Yeah, it's God's grace and Guruji's blessings. Thank you so much.
Rajesh ji is with us. Rajesh Gopalakrishnan mesmerizing Mohanam and Madhyavati.
Thank
Madhyamvati.
you.
So
Madhyamavati.
Malini Shastri ji is with us. She writes, Sukanya madam, hats off to you. Thanks for sharing your experience. It's very
Thank you.
inspiring indeed.
Thank
And
you.
I really love what your guru's father said when her guru was reluctant to accept her as a disciple. His father said, take her as a disciple because the ghatam, an instrument, does not know whether it is being played by a man or a woman.
Yeah,
So,
yes, yes.
and that's how the journey started. And you have taken ghatam to the center stage. But while you were playing, I just thought um, carrying one ghatam is easy, but how do you manage to carry so many pots? So, Kanyaji, for your performances.
Yeah, usually I take minimum 8 or maximum 10, 8 to 10 gadams.
Oh,
Because we are all 5 people together. Of course, their veena will be there, violin will be there, mridangam will be there. But still, we used to, when we travel by flight, I'm having separate cushioned boxes. So we all 5 of us will carry one katam each.
mhm.
So maybe 3 or 4 we have to check in. So when when we arrived at the destination, I first thing I used to open the my gadam box and see my gadams are safe.
Yes, indeed.
Always I used to pray Mahapariva, please take care of the gadams. You
Yes.
are with inside the gadams, please take care. So I used to do so many prayers
So we have
like that.
Latreya writing blissful, and Sudha, we are all sitting and watching your program from Mysore and enjoying. No words to describe how nicely you're playing.
Thank you so much for watching.
I'm
Thank
just
you.
trying to quickly include all the comments.
Yeah, yeah.
Adi A. Prabhu, yes, always great to see Sukanya ji perform. One of my favorite artists in the whole world.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Viewers, if I have missed out on any of the comments, please forgive me. One more we have, just let me include Lakshmi Pillai. Okay. blessed to be
Ah,
associated with Sukanya Madam. Being in her group is always a learning process, to be it music or lesson for life.
yeah, she's a very nice Mridangam artist.
Yes.
She used to play with us in the group, and very good artist, and very nice playing. And she is the disciple of Sri T.V. Gopalakrishnan sir, and her whole family is a musician family. It's very nice to have Lakshmi in our group always.
So, Sukanya ji,
Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you,
I
Lakshmi.
wish we could do the program with you for another hour to take inspirations from you, and also learn more about your life, your struggle, your journey, and then achieving what and wherever you are today. An inspiration to many, and especially to women. So thank you for joining us on the show. We have Joe Anthony, a poet on the Ghatam. Joe Anthony writes.
He is my student actually. Thank you, Joe. Thank you.
So Kanya ji, thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you so much. My sincere thanks to National Cover and all the viewers. Thank you so much. You have patience to to watch my performance
Really
all
enjoyed.
do this. Thank you so much, Sweta ji. I really love your hosting. So stay safe and be
To you,
at
same to you, Sukanya.
home. Even though some relaxations are there, please take care. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
thank you
Good
so
night.
much.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Thank you. Namaste.